In this video, I will show you how to fix if you're getting an error message where it says we can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization. So if you are trying to activate Windows on your device and you're getting a screen that looks like this with this error message, follow along with me for a fix to this problem. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do, I've actually tried this myself and it did work successfully. As you can see, it's now been activated using my organization's activation service. Basically, what you're going to want to do is a couple of commands in command prompt. So what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom left-hand corner and type command prompt into the search box. Now make sure to right click and run this as an administrator, and you're going to get your command prompt like this. So here are the two commands you want to put in, but you want to run these one at a time. So what I mean by this is this top one here, slmgr space /, of course you can pause the video at this point to write these down. Basically, you want to copy that and paste this into here. Once that's done, go ahead and press enter to run the first fix. And once that's done, you want to come out of command prompt, reload command prompt, make sure to run it as an administrator. So basically you want to right click and run as administrator. And then you want to enter the second command, which is this one down here, slmgr space /ato. So you just want to go ahead and enter that next and press enter. Once you've gone ahead and ran those two command prompts, when you actually run this second one, you're going to get a confirmation message saying that the product activation was successful. And when you next come to your activation settings, you will notice that the error message would have disappeared and it should now be fixed. After you've done that, simply go ahead and restart your system and that will fix the problem with that error message. So I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.